summertime and I get to cook some fajitas. Big Poppa here. Let's make some skirt steak fajitas and some chicken fajitas. So we're gonna start by making our marinade. Oil is important. Soy. And what soy gives us is the salt, but also a lot of umami and a lot of depth. The juice of 3 limes. I might get in trouble for that. Now I got 1 Valencia orange. So if you notice, I'm doing the marinade in a bowl. That's because I got a vegetable, a chicken, and a beef. So once I get the marinade, I'm gonna put it in baggies so I don't get any cross-contamination and everything's cool. Here we go, Big Poppas. Hallelujah. Right here. Some cilantro. Just about a tablespoon worth. A little bit of chili just for some earthiness. Not a whole lot. Some cumin. Brown sugar. And the final secret ingredient, garlic. I mean, really, this just looks like, to me, a Big Poppa gazpacho. Mix it up good. Make sure I didn't forget anything. Preparation is the key. I got some thin chicken cutlets. Now you see me use baggies every time. I just love baggies. You want to squeeze all the air out. So there's one for the refrigerator. Love skirt steak. Skirt steaks ended up one of the most expensive cuts on the cow, which sort of blows my mind. There we go. And roll it up. Here comes some peppers, about roughly 2 bell peppers worth. An onion and a half, sweet onion I use always. Some people marinate for 48 hours. It can only go about this far. It doesn't get to the center of the meat. This is gonna get a half hour, it's gonna be just fine. We're gonna get the chicken started. We're gonna kind of hit it hard over here. A little bit here. Look, I love that. That's what I want. I want that char flavor. We're starting to get it going here now. So what we've done is we put the chicken on, and we've got it nice and brown. We've got a ways to go temperature-wise. Not far off. A little time in the dome, and it'll be great. Nice skirt steak. We're at 500 degrees here because we really want to try and get some caramelization on this meat. Cash cow base. We only need one side, which is pretty thick. Hallelujah. Oh, this is starting to look really good. Let's do a temperature check. 107, good. We want about 135, so we're not far off. These are done. They can come off. Love how they look. So we knew the chicken had to go back on. Here. Put the lightest side down. After the grill is cooler, it's always nice to know your griddle. You go something right here. Get a little dough and we'll check it again. Get some hallelujah. Why not? 1 Feeling pretty good, looking good. I think it's going to be a very good dinner. Done. Done. Should need a few more minutes. You want these nice and soft. You don't want them crunchy. Delicious. Very pleased. Warm these tortillas up because we're getting real close. Done. Okay, let's talk about the grain. The grain's running this way, but we're going to do something funny. We're going to cut it on an angle here. The lemon, the lime and the orange and the cumin and the chili powder really taste good. I think that's really good.